Hi guys, this is a wake up call to all my friends, all those who are planning to take the CAT examination. Please try to widen your options and keep your options open. So I would recommend that all of you go in and register for the ZAT examination also guys. The registration is open since the 12th of September and it is open till the end of November 30th, 2020 till midnight guys. So the ZAT examination is another card that fate is dealing out to you guys. Don't miss the opportunity. Go ahead and register for the ZAT examination. The ZAT is supposed to be popularly, it is known as the Xavier Aptitude Test, and it is an entrance exam which will open up your opportunities to many management institutes. Literally 160 management institutes will accept the ZAT scores, and therefore it is a very popular management exams. It is also popular for the reason that it is slightly easier than the CAT examination, so many students prefer to take the ZAT. Almost a lakh and a half students every year are registering for the ZAT examination. And what is also important is students from all streams take the ZAT examination. So whether you are an engineering student or you're a law student or a management student or you are doing humanities or social sciences, anybody from a very wide scope or eclectic mix of subjects can take the ZAT examination and qualify for it. So to tell you more about this particular examination, guys, the ZAT is the Xavier Aptitude Test for admission to XLRI and top B schools. XLRI will conduct the ZAT 2021 on Sunday, January 3rd, 2021. The registration and the application process for the ZAT 2021 is online and it has started on September 12th, 2020 at a registration fees of 1750 rupees. The last day to apply, as I told you guys, is November 30th, 2020 till midnight. So what is the ZAT examination? The full form of the ZAT is the Xavier Aptitude Test. It is the admission test for admission to MBA, PGDM programs in XLRI and other top MBA colleges like IMT Ghaziabad, XIMB Bhubaneswar, TAPMI Manipal, and 160 other top MBA colleges in India. XLRI will offer admissions on the basis of ZAT 2021 only and will not accept any other test scores. There are more than 70 cities and more than 100 venues where the ZAT 2021 will be conducted in India. What are the key changes in this particular test pattern? The following are the changes. ZAT 2021 application fee has been increased to 1750. It is now changed to a computer-based test from a paper-based test. The exam will happen in a single slot. The test timings have been changed from 9:30 to 10 a.m. to 1 a.m. So the 9:30 to 12:30 has been shifted to 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Sorry. Total questions have been increased from 100 to 99. There is no essay writing test. All questions are of MCQ type and general knowledge section is not counted for the percentile calculation. 1/4 negative marking for wrong answers. Visually impaired candidates with scribe are given additional 25 minutes to solve part 1 of the exam. The marks for every correct answer is 1. There is no negative marking for general knowledge section in part 2. All the MCQ type questions have 5 options with 1 correct option. So guys, I am trying to again give you a wake up call. Please try and register for the ZAT examination. Keep your options open. Once you get into any of the best management schools, you can decide which is the one that you would like to take. So don't limit your options, rather keep them wide and see that you join an academy. Yes, when we are training you for the CAT examination, guys, it will also train you for the ZAT examination. And if you go to hashtag CAT Live Daily, you will be able to follow all the educators. In the morning, I take classes at 9:30 to 10:30 in the morning. It is continued in the evening, 7 o'clock, and goes on till 11 o'clock. So those who train for the CAT examination are ready for all other management exams. We should also start training for the ZAT specifically. Yes, so download the Telegram app livedaily.me/chat and join the Unacademy cat. Those who subscribe for the Unacademy subscription will get live classes, interact with the educator, live polls and leader polls, test series and analysis, live doubt clearing sessions. All these come free with the subscription, guys. So it is the best chance and opportunity that you have. So see that you jump onto the Unacademy bandwagon. Download the Unacademy Learning app, install the app. Yes, the CAT subscription is the best in the industry. Go for the Plus subscription. There are many courses there. Get the subscription, guys. Yes, the subscription, whether you take the CAT or any other management exam like the ZAT, will be the same. It is just 12 for 12 months, 1,458 and 875 for 2 years. So if you're having a long-term plan and taking the exam next year, you can go for the 2-year subscription, or you can go for the 1-year subscription, which is just 1,458, guys. So this is the recommended plan that I would advise. In addition to that, if you use my coupon code CORE10, you will get a further 10% discount. So it is time, guys, to join Unacademy and be a part of this program in order to determine your future career in any management school. So be it the CAT or the ZAT examination, we are the ones who will train you for that. And therefore, my good wishes are with you and hope to see you in the Unacademy platform. Happy learning, guys. Yes, we also train for other exams like NEET, JEE, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th. So subscribe, like, share, hashtag at live daily. Use my referral code, guys, CORE10, in order to get a 10% discount on any of the Unacademy courses. Yes, I mean any of the Unacademy courses, guys. You can use my referral code CORE10 and subscribe with us. So all the best, take care, and happy learning. Thank you.